Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this very simple man's hat like this. The biggest problem when you do hat and you go rounds around, it is to determine with how many stitches to start the hat and to get not too small or not too big hat. Working with this hat, we don't have this problem because we are going to do rows back and forth, and then we can easily determine how many rows we need. And when we finished with last row, you can first wash and dry your work. If your hat is reduced or increased, then you can just move or add the rows if you need it. And then you connect first and last row. For this hat, I will use yarn 200 meters in 50 grams and 2.5 millimeters hook. And you can use any yarn you like and recommended hook for those yarn. I will start with chain 50. Do slip knot and it is not count as chain. Then do chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I will continue until 50, and you can do numbers chains you need. I made chain 50 and it is about 23 centimeters long. I will use these 10 stitches for the bottom of the hat. This number can be smaller or bigger if you start with less or more chains. Here on this bottom of the hat we are going to do half double crochets. In first row we do half double crochets, and then in next rows here we are going to do front post half double crochets. Yarn over, skip 2 chains and they will replace first half double crochet, then go into third chain and do 1 half double crochet. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then yarn over, go into next chain and do 1 half double crochet. We will count this stitch as third because we have this chain 2 which replaces 1. This is fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th is the last. So we made 10 half double crochets and now continue to do double crochets. Yarn over, go into next stitch, we have 3 loops on the hook, then pull through 2 loops and then pull through next 2 loops. Into next chain do double crochet again, then double crochet again, and we do double crochets until we have 5 free chains on the end. I have 5 free chains. Yarn over, go into next chain and do half double crochet. Into next chain, half double crochet, This is third half double crochet and fourth half double crochet. Into last chain we are going to do one single crochet and round 1 is done. Then round 2, start by making chain 2, turn your work, yarn over, go under this second half double crochet and do front post half double crochet. Into next half double crochet, do front post half double crochet again, then third front post half double crochet, fourth front post half double crochet. Now we have these double crochets from previous round, and here we do front post double crochets. Do second front post double crochet, third, fourth, and continue to do one front post double crochet into every double crochet until you reach 2 half double crochets. I reached to this 10 half double crochets, yarn over and do first front post half double crochet, then second front post half double crochet, third, fourth. On this head we do just front posts. This is 8th, 9th and 10th we do into second chain. Round 2 is done. Round 3, start by making chain 2, then turn into this 9 front post half double crochets. We are going to do 9 front post half double crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is replaced by this chain 2. Next we do front post double crochets. First front post double crochet, second, third, and do front post double crochets until you reach to this half double crochets in these last 5 stitches. Into front post half double crochets from previous round, do one more front post half double crochets. Second, third, fourth, and into second chain do one single crochet. Then do chain 2, turn, into fourth front post half double crochets, do 4 front post half double crochets again, then do front post double crochets, and into front post half double crochets do front post half double crochets again. And repeat last 2 rounds until you get width you need. Here we have 10 front post half double crochets, then front post double crochets. On the top of the head we have 4 front post half double crochets, and into second chain we do single crochet. This pattern is very simple. I made 68 rows and it is enough to me. This my work I washed and dried, and I do not need to move or add rows, but you can do it if you need it. So if your head is too small you can add rows, or it is too big you can move rows, and then we will connect it. Important thing is that your number rows is divided by 2. When you finish even numbers of the rows, your working yarn should be on the bottom of the head, where we have these 10 half double crochets. This is top of the head and this is the bottom. And now we will connect first and last row with slip stitches. This is outside of the head. This end looks like this, and on the inside it looks like this. This is also inside. Now we go into second chain, grab this loop and pull through. Then go into next stitch on one side and next stitch on other side, grab the yarn, pull through and pull through loop on the hook. Into next pair do slip stitch, then into next do slip stitch, and into every pair we do 1 slip stitch. These slip stitches do not tight too much. and do slip stitches until you reach to the end of the round, and I will meet you there. I made last slip stitch. Now do chain 1, make it tight, and you can cut the yarn. And now we are going to tie up top of the hat. For that you will need piece of the yarn. Length you need is about 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Find these ends and put it together. This is inside of the hat and this is outside. Go under this stitch like when you do front posts. Grab this loop and pull through. Go into next stitch, grab this loop and pull through. Then you can go under 2 stitches, grab the loop and pull through 2 places. You can go through 3 places, grab the loop and pull through. Repeat this all the way around. This is my last place. Make it very, very tight. Then lace it up. Turn the hat and it looks like this. Our hat is completed. Hope you like your work. Thank you very much for watching and see you.